everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. So this is going to be the intro to my kit for December. Now, Dolly had created the inspiration and she used 3 different areas that you could pull, your inspiration from. I was trying to be overachiever person that I tend to be, and I was going to get a little bit of something from all the groups, but I just don't have the time or the energy, and I've got so much stuff to go through. There was just no way I'd have enough time for sure. So what I decided to do was to go with the color scheme, which is actually the first category. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll have it listed below, as well as if you go to the Facebook challenge group for Mini Kit Monday, you will see it there as well. So it's under the paper product color. So there, she went with the winter, so she spelled out W-I-N-T-E-R, and W stood for Wintergreen Dream, and I is for Ice Blue, N is for Nut Brown, T is for Terracotta, E is for Earthy Yellow, and R is for Robin Egg Blue. So when I was looking at all my papers, I saw this and I thought, well, you know what? This pretty much has all the colors plus some. So I'm going to use this mainly as my inspiration. What I like to do is I have a little bit of this paper in all of my layouts. So I hope to do that for this group, for this page. And then for the Wintergreen Dream, I chose this. I know it's not a true wintergreen, but it's the closest I have. And then I did pull some cardstock as well, if I have it. Let me see. I don't know if I didn't have this color of wintergreen is that right? Wintergreen Dream. It's a tongue twister for me. Okay, then for Ice Blue, I had this. Oop, can you see it? Oh, it got all fuzzy there. I had this cardstock as well as this paper, and I like this. This has a little bit of copper. I know you're not going to be able to see it, but it does have a little bit of copper speckles in it, the little berries. So pretty. Let's see. The next color is Nut Brown. So I have a couple of doilies here that are brown, and then here is one, and here is one, and I've not been consistent, as you can tell, with how many sheets of each color. And then here's a solid cardstock of the Nut Brown that I chose. Terracotta, T for Terracotta. Well, I didn't really have anything terracotta. I didn't even know what to look for. This is the closest thing. It has that earthy yellow and a little bit of red, and I'm going to call that my terracotta. That's all I got. That's all I wanted to hunt for anyway. And it'll work. And then the earthy yellow, I have these scraps here in this page here, as well as this one. Oh, I love this one. Okay, what's on the other side? Oop, that's pretty bright. And then, Robin Egg Blue. And so all I have for that is the cardstock. It's okay. You know what? You can make your kit whatever you want it to be. So let me show you, I don't know if I can show, let me just show the 12 by 12 paper. Just the pattern paper, not the cardstock. Okay. Let's see. Sorry, not very organized here. Let's see how many. That's 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. And for me, and there are 4 Mondays in December. So I am going to try to do 3 layouts, maybe more, just like I did for the month of November. Is I made some embellishments. So yeah, we'll see. What I don't want to do is put this up. I want to go ahead and do something with all my scraps because I don't really want to put it away. And then, okay, there's 7 pattern papers, and then there's 3 cardstock. And of course, I can always grab another color I can grab whatever I want because it's my kit, and I want to encourage you guys to do the same. Don't be glued to just what you pull out. It does help if you've got a small amount to to make better decisions, because I find if there is a lot of options, it's hard for me to decide, which kind of goes with what I'm going to show you now. So bear with me. So one of the, I was going to try to use these Jen Hatfield wood veneers. This is not priority to me. This one's from My Bright Life. Has some flowers in there because I have quite a few flowers. I did pull out some dies because I was really wanting to get this doily one, and I have some, the bigger doilies somebody had given to me, and then there's some circle dies as well. And let me start off with this. I just got this. This is the Jen Hatfield sticker book. I haven't even used it, but it has the colors that I'm looking for. Speaking of Jen Hatfield, let me show you. I did get an ephemera pack. I decided to pull this again. This one says Along the Way, but I'm not sure if it is, because those are the colors for Along the Way, but look what's inside here. It looks like Warm and Cozy, right? Let me show you. This came from Tuesday Morning. I don't think I messed with it. I don't think I did. This is Warm and Cozy, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But look at the colors. They do go, and I know I use Warm and Cozy for the month of October. But look, there's terracotta. I'm going to put this in my stash to use. Also, not a priority. I don't want that to be the first thing I go to, because I really want to use up some of this older stuff that I have. So far, I've shown you all the new stuff. Let me show you the older stuff. This is old. I've had this for a while. There's stickers. And so I like this plaid. I like that. It kind of goes. I don't know about that Family Fun. I'm not a big fan of that. But there is that. I want to use that. And then there's, this is from October Afternoon, a little scrap. I want to use that up. I've got some little pieces of stuff that, as I was digging through, I found that I think the colors match. Here's a tag. Okay, so let me see. Can you see this? Let me see if I can show you. Oh my goodness gracious. Can you see that medallion right there? It's orange. I got that from Freckle Fawn. See if I can use that. And here's another medallion. This is old. Oh my gosh, my mind's eye. Let's see the year. 2009. Yeah, 10 years old. Probably should try to use that. More than likely, I'll just cut it and, use half of it. I know this is from October Afternoon. I just have so much. This is from the I Am. Oh, it says I Am on it. Oh, this is an embellishment that I made, a couple years ago. But look at the colors. I think it's going to work. It's got the ice blue and the earthy yellow. It does have some pink, but I'm going to try to make it work. Yeah, see the little pearl, that little half pearl? I made this, oh gosh, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. Want to use that. And then here are some hearts. They're kind of a cream colored. Now this also from this is from LA Studio, I'm pretty sure. But I'm drawn to these two hearts. Not too sure about anything else, but what those two I'm definitely drawn to. Oh, there's that. Here is Fun. I don't remember where that's from. These keep falling off, but they're like little leather bows. They're so cute. Kind of leather. I have no idea where this came from. Can you see? It's yellow. It's got a butterfly on it, which I think would be kind of cute with the butterflies here. I have some buttons. Look. Look, look, look. And then these are brads. I was going with the colors. that was my focus, are the colors. Let's see, maybe some of those hearts. I pulled this out, not this. I don't know, not so drawn to that, but I pulled it out anyway. I did find this when I was digging around, and I thought, I still had 3 words, and I need to use those. So got that out to play with. And then I wanted lots and lots of flowers. So these are just, these are from Vicki Boutin. These are, I'm sorry, my cat scared me. These are flowers that can be colored, which I am thinking, I did pull out the Distress inks. I already put them back because I thought, oh girl, you are just too crazy. But I'm thinking I might color them with that, with the Distress ink, and then these. Because one of the things that she had written on her list was a new item or a new tool that you got this year or something. Well, this is something that I did get. So I was thinking about using that with these flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And I got another one. That's it. Oh my goodness. This is a big kit again for me. Maybe not for most people, but it is for me. I'm excited to get started on it. So we will see how it goes. I may make some cards with it. I may not. I may have enough to make another page. Well, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you check out the other ladies who are part of the Mini Kit Monday group. I'll leave links to their channels below. And when you are over at the Facebook group, make sure you see the announcement of us trying to find, who's interested in being highlighted for, like joining us 1 month this is so easy for me to say, right? I am just stepping over my words. So anyway, somebody that wants to be a part of the Mini Kit Monday YouTube group, we're going to highlight someone, one person every month. So we are getting your name and your number, and we're going to decide. We'll let everybody know. Make sure we give everybody notice. We would really like to see who's interested in doing that. We don't want this to be a job. We want this to be fun, because we all think that it's fun. Remember that if it seems like work, then it's not fun, and I'm not going to do it anymore. So it's still fun to me. So I just wanted to pass that along. Make sure you check out the Facebook group for that. All right, enough babbling from me today. I will see you guys next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.